So
Okay.
Shika, today's topic is all about like the happiest day of your life.
Yeah, yeah,
That's the topic today. So tell me, like, what was the happiest day of your life?
okay. So first thing that every day is happiest,
Okay.
and we are, we have faced many pandemic and all. Still, we are alive and living this life. So happy. But yeah, some days that happened, and that was a fabulous and most happiest day that I want to mention here. So first that I remember when I passed my high school examination. So when result came out, so that time that was my most happiest day because it was the first board exam and we got first rank and also that time I was so happy and the second moment it came I was doing a diploma in education. So that time, 21st June, it is celebrating as a, yoga day. So I was selected for, yoga teacher for a day. So
Wow.
that was also a great moment for me. And the third day, third most happiest day that was my joining, my job joining day.
Mhm.
So these are the three main, I can say, and most happiest day.
Super, excellent. So you are a yoga teacher now?
Not now, but yeah, I had some knowledge and I can do this. So that is why in my college there no many people. So I had selected.
Okay. You still practicing yoga? Are you still practicing yoga?
Yes, yes.
So it's a very best
It
exercise, right?
fluctuate. Sometimes it fluctuates. It's not regular, but yes, I'm doing this.
But it's a very good form of exercise.
Yeah, right, right.
So you will
That,
feel relaxed after doing it.
definitely. Yes, previously it was in my habit, I can say in my routine, but now it's not in my routine. Someday, if it is holiday, then I can do, and someday, woke up late and so then realize it's too late, so don't do. So now it is going like this.
I see. Yeah. Mm, the next question is okay. So what are the things which in your life which makes you happy? What are the things will make you happy?
Okay. First thing that is, if I have set any goal, I have just decided any goal, any short-term goal, and if I found it and I just hit it, so that is the happiest thing. And the second thing I also mentioned that spend a time with our family. It is also a happy moment, and and uh, and a good routine. A good routine if you have a good daily routine, so that is also I think a good thing, and I consider it as a happy moment, because it's someday we don't have a routine. We wasted whole day. So that day I didn't feel good.
Okay, okay. So you have a routine and you have to follow that routine. Only then you'll be happy, right? If you don't follow
Right,
your routine, you feel like somewhat guilty or something. So
right.
do you think money is important for staying happy?
Okay. Well, I'm not saying that money is important. It's important and necessary. It means we can't be happy without this thing. But it happens without money. Some people they are also happy. I'm not saying a long time we don't have money. Sometimes a little time we don't have money, but we feel so much good. So it is not a important. It is not necessary. It is just a need. I can say it is a need, and it is also for a surviving. We are in a society, we have to survive, so that's why it's a need to survive here. And also I can say this is the modern era, so money can be considered as a part of happiness.
Okay,
Yes.
that's a good answer. So like the next one is like joy and sorrow are part of our life. So what is your opinion on?
Okay. Definitely joy and sorrow. This is the part of our life, and you know, yeah, my opinion is that it is important in our life because if we are watching any movie and without any twist, so we even don't feel good, and even what is this going, and there is no any twist and there is no any story behind this. If the movie started just a good thing, a happy moment, and also with a happy moment, so we are not so interested to watch it. So like this is also our life. It's going, and joy and happiness, sorry, sorrow. This is the part of life. Sometimes we are extremely happy. We feel a wow moment, and sometimes yeah, this grief moment. So that is necessary in the part of life. It also connect us with with the God.
Yeah. So nobody will remember God when they are happy, right?
Sometimes, sometimes it happens, the people, if they are so much happy, they remember. But if you are so much happy, so you just go to temple and worship for a minute, for 10 minutes, 2 minutes, and then say, okay, God, I have to leave
Thank
because
you
I am
for
so happy, and I have some work. I have to meet with friend. I have to enjoy this day. But if you are in a bad mood, you don't have a good friend that time, definitely you don't have a good time, so you can spend more and more time with God and in temple, and so that is why I think it is happening.
but more people are going to temple only when they are when they are in sorrow, right? When they are in
Yeah,
joy, they are thanking, like, thank you God for all of this, that's it. Okay, but when they are in sorrow, they will spend hours and hours in temple.
definitely.
Right.
It's necessary.
Yeah, it's necessary. Okay. Okay. So what about you, like, are you a you have belief in God?
Yeah, I'm
Strong.
theist.
Oh, theist. Okay, you're a theist. Okay, you have a strong belief on God.
Yeah, I have believed.
So who's your favorite God?
Okay, so Lord Mahadeva, he's
Mahadev. Mahadev means Shiva, right? Lord Shiva.
Shiva. Shiva. He is my favorite. And the second one, there is a goddess Gayatri Ma. So
Okay. Right.
she is like, Nau Durga Ma, this is like a Navratri. So these are some. Even
Oh,
I
so
believe everyone, but yeah,
especially like I believe you celebrate during Dashara, right? Dashara is very famous over there, right, in your place.
yeah, it's famous.
So how is it going on? I think today is the last day of Dashara.
Yeah, it's the last day. It's the last day. Yeah, everything was going fantastic, and today I think Ravan will be killed.
Ravan will be killed. So I believe even in school some kind of celebration will happen today.
Yeah, yeah. Even it was holiday, and yes, and celebration is also like small celebration. Sometime a bit type Ram Leela, and sometimes just make a girl or boy some part of Nau Durga, and boy some part of like Ram and Ravan. So playing a
Like a
small story.
drama.
Yeah, yeah, drama. Right.
So that is what happening right now. Like the drama practice is happening, right?
No, it's over. It's all over. Because before the Sahara holiday we had to celebrate it, we had to make students aware about this. So before this uh, closing of the school we had to do this.
So this is the longest vacation period, isn't it? Like 10 to 10 days, right?
Vacation, no, nowadays it's not.
Okay. No, no, no. I mean holidays, like Dashara holidays is around 10 days, isn't it?
Yeah, the Sahara it is. Yeah, I was thinking about vacation. So vacation earlier, 10 days vacation and 6 days, but now it's only 2 days, 3 days.
So just 2 or 3 days. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Everything's changed now. Not like before. Okay. Okay. Have you done something to make others happy?
Yeah, I I think that because you know I also used to not used to but I still if I see any beggar and he just come and ask something, then I always try to do this, like sometimes giving clothes. I just learned it from my mother. She also used to do this, so I tried to do this. And for family, I also try to do things by which I can make them happy.
Super, excellent. Okay, and okay. So, do you like watching movies?
Movies. Not now.
Not
Previously, I watched, but I think it been 3 or 4 years.
3
I
or 4
didn't
years.
know.
So, what was your favorite movie?
Yeah, my favorite movie was I think हम आपके हैं कौन. It
Okay,
was a Bollywood.
it's a famous. I believe it's a famous movie.
Yeah, famous as well.
So who was the lead role? Like who was doing the lead role in the?
Yeah, Madhuri Dixit in actress and Salman Khan as
So I think
actor.
it's an old movie, right? Maybe like 10, 20, 10 years before, or 10 or 20
Yeah,
years.
yeah, yeah. I said nowadays I'm not watching movie means previously whatever movie I have watched. So I remember and it is still my favorite and nowadays I'm not using to do this.
So what you are doing like nowadays? Like what is your pastime, free time activities? What kind of
Yeah.
things you do?
Like some small dancers and their collaboration that I like to watch and speeches nowadays. And rather than this, since 2 years, I'm trying to watch a movie on, not movie, like a short story, short story, like a 30 hours and 1 hour. It is enough because movie it is so long, 3 hours. I would like to watch now.
Okay, that's true. So you are watching YouTube videos, right?
Yeah, YouTube is videos and sometime with family, I just watch a serial, sometime also.
Okay,
Yeah.
like mega serials.
Like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. I
So do you like
watch
to
it.
watch this one Kapil Sharma's thing?
Kapil Sharma, so yeah. I watch, but
Okay.
not I'm a regular, just like a habitual to this. Yeah, just for happiness, just if I feel to make my mind some happiness and try to watch this kind of things.
Okay. Okay. Super. So who's your favorite comedian?
Favorite comedian. Earlier, Johnny Lever, he
Ah,
was
John. He's all-time favorite, right? Like he's been with the field for a very long time. So
definitely. Now Kapil Sharma is also good. Only two.
Johnny Lever.
Yeah, and yes, I think these are two.
So what is your favorite comedy movie?
Okay, Dhamal, it was
Um,
my favorite. Yeah, I watched many times Dhamal, and
mm.
whenever I watched, really, a castic moment,
So it will make you happy, right?
right?
Okay.
Every time. I never bored to watch this movie.
So who was the actor in that movie? Who was the hero?
Yeah, I don't know their name. There is four actor. I
For
think,
actor.
yeah.
Super. Okay. I think we almost covered most of the questions today. That's why I was trying to deviate the topic. Okay, good. Okay. So we'll do one activity. Okay. You said like your favorite movie was what was that movie again?
हम आपके हैं कौन I think.
Okay. Try to tell the story of the movie. Like try it in your own words. Just a brief, maybe
Okay.
within a minute or so.
So this story, this movie started with a family, a happy family, and a businessman. He has two son, Salman Khan and one other. So Salman Khan is the younger one, and the another part is like actress family. There is also four member, their parents and two sister. So Madhuri Dixit, she is a younger sister, and then they're both family by a matchmaker. I think they meet for marriage to elder sister and elder brother, and then it start and they marry their elder sister and brother, and after that Madhuri Dixit, she came, and in while I can say while marriage time they also enjoyed Salman Khan, so a song also played over there. So like this, they have some connection, and after that, they will become a lover,
Okay.
and then they decided to be married.
Okay.
But eventually, her sister, Madhuri Dixit's sister, her dad died. So Madhuri Dixit has to marry with Salman Khan elder brother,
Mm.
and so yeah, it was a moment. It's a moment. Then after that, I think their parent know about that this is not good. She is
Mm.
not loving him, and
Mm.
then the end of the movie, they I think they marry with Salman Khan in
Okay.
like.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you for describing that movie to me. And you like Salman Khan?
Yeah, I am, but not too much. So
Is he good
okay,
in acting?
yeah, good actor. So I'm not considered anyone as my lead role. Okay, it's like lead hero. Uh, it's okay. They are actor doing
But
entertaining us.
still, I think still he is a bachelor, isn't it? Salman Khan
Yeah,
still he didn't
right.
marry. So,
Yes, yes.
now I think he's more is above 50,
Yeah.
but still he didn't marry.
Yeah, right.
Okay. 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 So, what is your favorite YouTube channel?
YouTube channel. Nowadays I'm watching Elena Ray's video. So she is also one of the bucket list, and one another channel. This is Joe's Talk. Their videos, and one is Filter Copy. The Filter Copy, there is some short story and subtitle in English, so you can watch it.
Oh, okay. Those. So, which language it is?
This is in Hindi language and subtitle in English language.
Okay, okay, okay. Watch it out. So Hindi, you already know Hindi, right? Like, but why you are watching using subtitles? Any reason behind
Yeah,
it?
sometimes using to watch Filter Copy as well.
Filter Coffee is also Hindi channel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, so do you watch any English YouTube channel?
Sometime I not remember name right now, but I try to watch. Some Chinese and their story, small kind.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't remember the name.
So anyway, we tried to speak and we almost covered like 20 minutes now.